So today I will show you how to deploy Next.js app on Vercel. So I am creating new project and we need to create new Next.js project. That's why I am using Ban as a package manager. So we need to initialize new Next.js project. So just open it on VS Code. Okay, opening. Okay, it's a project. So now everything is okay. I'm just running my project. Okay, everything is working fine. Okay, working. Now we need to deploy. We need to push our code into GitHub. That's why I'm going to my GitHub account. And we need to create a new repo. So in the right corner, you can see here we have some options. So we need to create new repository. So I'm creating. So I'm giving a name of this repository. So again it is available. Great. So project is running. So we need to run some command here. Just let me. It is already initialized from by Next.js, and you can use everything from initial if you don't have a initial git commit. So latest Next.js is automatically create the initial commit for you. So we are gonna just set up Vercel master and remote origin from GitHub, and we are now pushing our code into GitHub. So everything is up to date and code is pushed to GitHub, and I'm opening Vercel. It's my Vercel account, and I have deployed a lot of project here. So I'm creating new project. In the right corner, add new button, click add new button, and here is project. So it is my latest repository in the GitHub. So now just I'm clicking import. So it is auto selected Next.js and everything is fine. And if you need environment variable or you need custom build or output command, you can see and you can overwrite here. So that is it. Now I'm clicking deploy. It will take some times, and after that it will be deployed on the Vercel. So we can see build logs here. So it will take some times getting production build. Okay, complete build. Okay, this is just building. I'm just making it as in dark mode. Okay, let's just build. Okay, build successful. Okay, our Next.js app is built successful. So this is our map, and it is very faster. And you can see here, and you can use custom domain from here. or this is your project settings, and you can change everything that you need for your website. So you can use your custom domain here. I am changing my domain name to Linux. It is available. Okay, it is available. So if I click here, it is my project is running. So after that, if I made some changes here, just make some changes here. Okay, just listen. That's okay. Okay, we need to so we need to for after update we need to push our code into GitHub, and GitHub will automatically handle our changes with Vercel, and automatic Vercel will be deployed. If we don't have any problem, then we after 1 or 2 minutes we can see updated updated version on the on our website. So we need to just push git commit m, and just giving commit name is updated, and just hitting git push for pushing data to GitHub. So it is okay. And if we go to project settings here, deployments, and you can see it is automatically deploying. And if you don't have any problem in our code base, then it will automatically deploy and reflect in our domain. So it is not available, so my code is available from here. So it is also a domain, it is just a backup domain. So you can you have learned how to deploy Next.js app on the Vercel. So you can easily deploy your app on Vercel, and here you can see that is working. My updated code is here, so that is cool. And you can change your domain, and you can upgrade your hosting that you need, and it is very easy way to deploy Next.js, and it scales very well. And you can use your custom domain here. You can use your custom domain here, and suppose you need to buy domain from another domain provider, and you can set up your domain on the Vercel easily in the 1 or 2 minutes. So that is it. So thank you. Please